Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. It's Sunday morning, the 7th of September 2025. The Gaza Strip is suffering from a new layer of displacement due to the ongoing displacement in the north of the Gaza Strip and in Gaza City. So here becomes the role of Agush Al-Khidmat USA in partnership with Al-Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, who decided to offer the helping hand through providing them with 1,000 hot meals to be distributed in children's centers. So for now, stay with the process. Hello again. At the moment we are at Al Asil Children's Center in the south of the Gaza Strip to start distributing the hot meals well prepared for the families here, so come with us.
شكرا أخي على الوجبات جبنا كل يوم.